Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this peanut butter and meringue cake. I will start with the dough, for which I'm gonna need 260 grams of flour, 125 grams of room temperature butter, 3 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 8 grams of vanilla or vanilla paste or vanilla extract. I'm gonna mix egg yolks with sugar, butter at room temperature. I will add that vanilla sugar that I have, but you can replace that with vanilla paste if you don't have vanilla sugar or even vanilla extract. Add sour cream, baking powder, and start adding flour gradually. I'll mix with a whisk until the dough is gonna to allow me, and after that I'm just gonna knead with my hand, incorporating all the flour. I'm gonna need a tough dough because it's gonna be stretched with a rolling pin. So add all the flour. Place this dough in the fridge. Cover it with cling film and place it in the fridge for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Now let's prepare the meringue. I'm gonna need 3 egg whites, 200 grams of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice. I'm gonna put these egg whites in another bowl, a larger bowl, and I will start mixing these until soft peaks are forming. Add lime juice to stabilize the egg whites and start adding sugar gradually until stiff peaks are forming. Continue to mix until you will observe that the sugar is almost dissolved. I took the dough from the fridge. You can sprinkle a bit of flour on top of it if you notice that it's sticking on your rolling pin. And I am stretching it on baking paper, and I'm trying to stretch it as a rectangular with the size 38 and 30 centimeters. Even layer, stretch it nicely. Cut the edges to have straight edges, and this is how it should look. Now add that meringue on top of it and spread it in an even layer, and make sure that you have your oven preheated, because you're gonna need to bake these two together in the preheated oven. I'm gonna bake these two together in the oven at 140 Celsius degrees or 284 Fahrenheit until the meringue will be nicely baked and the dough underneath as well. In the meantime, let's make the filling. I need 170 grams of butter, room temperature butter, 100 grams of powdered sugar, and 100 grams of peanut butter. I start by mixing butter with sugar. I will add peanut butter and mix all of these together, and we're gonna have a really nice filling. You can use smooth or crunchy peanut butter, it's up to you, depends on your likings. So I'm mixing now that peanut butter is at room temperature, so it's gonna be easily mixed just the whisk, but if you want to use a mixer, it's up to you. It's gonna be faster. Keep an eye on the oven though. You don't want to burn the meringue. And after you bake the dough and the meringue, let them cool down. Okay, time to assemble the cake. I'm gonna cut the baked and cool down the dough and the meringue. I'm gonna cut them vertically, as you see. I cannot cut them too straight or even, but this is it. I'm gonna even them up. I will take one of those three pieces now and place them on a tray, on a serving tray. Add some of the filling and level it with a spatula. On top of this, add the second piece of the cake. Careful, you don't want to break it. The meringue it's already a bit more crumbly, but it's fine. The filling will keep everything together. Place again a peanut filling, and on top of all of them place the third part of the cake. Cover everything with peanut butter. Put the cake in the fridge to set, and you can decorate it with chocolate flakes, chocolate bonbons, and this is at your pleasure. You know, decorate it as you prefer. I straighten up the edges. I cut the excess pieces of cake because I wanted to have a nice straight cake, and place it in the fridge. It's a pretty sweet cake, so you will need lots of friends and family to help you eat this, but I'm sure they will happily give you help with this one. Am I right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's really important for me to have you here, and turn on the notification bell as well to receive notification only when I am publishing a new recipe. I will see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.